Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to solve for this problem where we need to calculate the value of x. We are given with this equation where x raised to power x raised to power x raised to power x and on and on and on and on is equal to 2, and using this equation we need to solve for the value of x. So let's get started and see how we're gonna do that. We have this equation, and now if I'm going to put log on both sides, so my equation will look like this. Now we have this identity which says if we have log a raised to power b, then this can be rewritten as b into log a. Using this identity, I can rewrite an expression for this. So I'll get this expression. So I'm going to substitute this value of log x raised to power x raised to power x in this equation. So my equation will look like this. Now we already have this value which says x raised to power x raised to power x is equal to 2. So I'm going to substitute it here. So my equation will look like this. Right now I'm going to take this 2 on another side, so the value of log x is going to be 1 by 2 into log 2. Now we have this identity, right? So using this identity I can write this 1 by 2 as an exponent of this 2, right? So I'll get this expression as log 2 raised to power 1 by 2, and I know that 2 raised to power 1 by 2 is nothing but root 2, right? So now comparing both sides, we'll get the value of x as root 2. So that's my answer for the value of x. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.